What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and reviewing this, what I find to be the easiest tool to pull weeds. It's called a stand-up weed puller. And if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing because I do a lot of how-to household videos and automotive projects. But let's go ahead and review and try this baby out. Alright, so how this thing works is when you step on it, these claws go around the weed and then you're able to pull it up by the root. And that's always how you want to take it out, by the root, or it'll just grow back. So you want to get this part centered right over the center of the weed. Then we're just going to push it down with our foot, give it a little twist, and we can take it over to our bucket and hit the top and it just falls right into our bucket. It's like literally the easiest thing. And the best time to weed is when the ground is not too dry. So we'll just stick it, twist it, boom, easy as that. It has no problem getting the weeds that are mixed in with your grass. It targets them perfectly. Look at that. Boom, just like that. Look at that. Look how fast that is. Let's see if it won't pull some weeds out of this barked area I have. Look at that. Boom. I cannot tell you how many years I did this on my hands and knees before I got one of these. It is literally a lifesaver come spring when all the weeds pop out of the grass. I mean, it's just really important. Get it in the center, and it just pulls it right out. This actually makes weeding kind of fun, especially for kids and young teens and stuff. Even huge old ones like this are no match. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, look at that. In just 10 minutes I've almost got a whole bucket, but as you can see I've got probably a good hour left, but this is well worth its weight in gold. I'd suggest getting one of these guys. Check out the links in the description. If you guys haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel so you can see all my other DIY videos, my upcoming videos. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Have fun weeding. Take care. Bye.